what you expect inside her new Balenciaga. Cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you expect.